Living in the city is exciting. The hustle and bustle, the endless opportunities, and the vibrant energy are all part of the charm. But sometimes you miss having a bit of nature. The concrete jungle can feel overwhelming, and you long for a touch of green, a breath of fresh air. Don't worry, I'm here to tell you, you can have the best of both worlds. You don't need a sprawling backyard to enjoy the beauty of nature. Even if you only have a small balcony, you can create your own little garden oasis. With a bit of creativity and some thoughtful planning, your balcony can become a sanctuary. It's easier than you think. You don't need to be a gardening expert. Start with a few potted plants, maybe some herbs or flowers that you love. Imagine stepping out onto your balcony and being greeted by the smell of fresh flowers. The vibrant colors and fragrant scents can transform your mood instantly. Picture yourself relaxing in a comfy chair surrounded by lush greenery. It's your personal retreat, a place to unwind and recharge. That dream can be a reality. With a little effort, you can turn your balcony into a green haven. A balcony garden is a little slice of peace right outside your door. It's a space where you can escape the noise and stress of city life. And I'm going to show you how to make it happen. From choosing the right plants to arranging them beautifully, I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started on creating your perfect balcony garden. Now, you might be thinking, Chip, is a balcony garden really worth the effort? Well, let me tell you, it absolutely is. Imagine stepping out onto your balcony and being greeted by a burst of colors and the fresh scent of blooming flowers. It's like having a mini oasis right outside your door. Let me tell you, friend, it absolutely is. Not only does it enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but it also brings a multitude of benefits that you might not have considered. Firstly, a balcony garden adds life to your home. Literally. The presence of plants can transform a dull, lifeless space into a vibrant, lively area. Plants clean the air and bring in a touch of the outdoors. They act as natural air purifiers, absorbing pollutants and releasing fresh oxygen. This is especially important in city living where fresh air can be hard to come by. Imagine having a little green haven amidst the concrete jungle, a place where you can breathe easy and feel rejuvenated. Secondly, it's a great stress reliever. There's just something about being surrounded by nature that calms the soul. The act of tending to your plants, watching them grow, and seeing them thrive can be incredibly therapeutic. There's just something about being surrounded by nature that calms the soul. Whether you're meditating, reading a book, or simply sitting quietly, the presence of greenery can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Whether you're sipping your morning coffee or unwinding after a long day, your balcony garden will be your sanctuary. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and find a moment of peace and tranquility. And lastly, it's a fun project. Getting your hands dirty and watching your garden grow is incredibly rewarding. It's a hobby that can bring joy and satisfaction as you see the fruits of your labor come to life. Getting your hands dirty and watching your garden grow is incredibly rewarding. Plus, it's a great way to learn about different plants, experiment with various gardening techniques, and even grow your own herbs or vegetables. So why not give your balcony the makeover it deserves and create your own little green paradise? Alright, are you ready to get started? The first step is to assess your space. How much sunlight does your balcony get? This will help you choose the right plants and flowers. Next, you need to decide on containers. You can use pots, planters, or even hanging baskets. Get creative. Just make sure they have good drainage. Now for the fun part, soil. Choose a good quality potting mix that's specifically designed for containers. Once you've got your soil, you can start planting. Don't forget to water regularly, especially during the hotter months, and make sure your plants are getting enough sunlight. Section 4. Finding the perfect flowers for your balcony paradise. Choosing the right flowers is key to a thriving balcony garden. The first step is to assess the amount of sunlight your balcony receives. Is it bathed in full sun, or does it enjoy partial shade? This will determine which flowers will thrive in your space. Since space is limited, it's best to go for compact varieties that don't mind container living. Look for flowers that are known for their resilience and ability to flourish in confined spaces. Some great options include geraniums, which are known for their vibrant colors and long blooming season. Petunias, with their wide range of colors, and marigolds, which are not only beautiful but also help repel pests, are excellent choices. These beauties are low maintenance and bloom their hearts out all season long. They require minimal care, making them perfect for busy gardeners or those new to gardening. If you're looking for something a little more unique, consider herbs. Not only do they add greenery and texture to your balcony, but they also provide fresh ingredients for your kitchen. They smell amazing, and you can use them in your cooking. Rosemary with its aromatic leaves, basil, which is perfect for summer dishes, and thyme, known for its versatility, are all excellent choices. These herbs are easy to grow and can thrive in pots. Remember, the best flowers for your balcony are the ones that bring you joy. Whether you prefer vibrant blooms or fragrant herbs, choose plants that make you happy. So choose what you love and watch them flourish. With the right selection and a little care, your balcony can become a beautiful and serene oasis. Section 5. Finishing touches. Decor to make your balcony cozy. Now that you've got the green part covered, let's talk about making your balcony extra cozy. Think of it as an extension of your living space. A comfortable seating area is a must. A couple of chairs, a small table, and some outdoor cushions will do the trick. Next, add some ambiance with lighting. String lights create a magical atmosphere, while lanterns add a touch of warmth. And don't forget the little details. Outdoor rugs, decorative planters, and even a small water feature can make a big difference. Let your personality shine through. Section 6. Your balcony oasis awaits. There you have it, folks. Creating a cozy balcony garden is all about choosing the right plants, adding some personal touches, and creating a space that makes you happy. Not only will your balcony look amazing, but it will also become your own little escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start creating your own balcony oasis. Trust me, you won't regret it.